Let's discuss the empirical rule. When a data set is normally distributed, and this only applies when a data set is normally distributed, remember that means it makes that bell-shaped curve when we do its frequency histogram, we'll find that certain percentages of the data fall between 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations of the mean. The exact percentages that are shown on this visualization below are the empirical rule. So this right here will be available to you as you are working on various problems that involve normal distribution. A little bit of notation here. This symbol is the Greek letter mu, and it represents the mean. And this symbol here is pronounced sigma, and it represents the standard deviation for our data set. Let's practice using the empirical rule. When I want to fill in a data set, and I'm being given the mean and the standard deviation, I can put the mean right in the middle. And then I will basically move and fill in each of these little locations by going up by the value of the standard deviation. So if the mean is 5, then one standard deviation above the mean is this location, and so it's 7. And I got that by adding 2 to the 5. If I want to go up another standard deviation, I add another 2. And if I want to go up to the third standard deviation above the mean, I add another 2. So you can picture how I'm starting at 5 and going up 2, up 2, up 2. And as you can imagine, when we go backwards along that line, I'll go down 2. Let's do that again. Suppose we have the mean is 5.2. That will always go right in the middle of the bell curve. And now I can go up by the standard deviation, which is 1.3. So when I add 1.3 to 5.2, I get 6.5. And so that's the number that goes right here. And when I go up another 1.3 from 6.5, I get 7.8. And that's the number here. And again, I want to go up by 1.3, and I get 9.1. Similarly, I can go to the left and fill in to the left by subtracting the standard deviation. So if I want to fill in this number right here, I will fill in with the answer to 5.2 minus 1.3, which is 3.9. And then for the next one, I need to do 3.9 minus 1.3, which is 2.6. And finally, my last one will be 1.3. So that's just, how do we fill in the chart for the empirical rule? On the next page, we'll discuss how we can use the empirical rule to now answer questions about data.